the right to remain silent.
1, 2, 3. We're the Boy Family!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
All right, we were supposed to leave today, this morning, but we ordered some winter clothes, and although they were supposed to be delivered this last Friday, they're still not here. It says that they're out for delivery. It says one of the 2 packages is out for delivery. It says the other one's still in Houston. We're hoping they just didn't update their tracking on the one and that they're together and both here. So we'll see. But in the meantime, we're here for at least one more day. We are going to get the kids out of this bus. It's still rainy, cold, not really beach weather.
Warm.
Is it warm? But wet.
Relatively.
And when it's not raining, it's supposed to be windy all day. So it's always one or the other. So we are going to take them to, it's called the Ocean Star Offshore Drilling Rig Museum. I think that's the whole title. It's a nice long mouthful. So we're going to do that. Go and see what an offshore rig looks like. See if it looks just like it did when we watched Armageddon when I was a teenager.
You're just obsessed with Armageddon.
That's the only offshore rig I've ever seen.
Leaving on a jet plane. Don't go, I'll be back again.
So anyways, we're going to go check it out and see what it's like. Yeah.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours. Anywhere you go.
It's like, what's Adrian's favorite movie that she always watches? That Coda. It's like, if any of you guys haven't seen Coda, it's a good movie.
We're going on the Ocean Star. Here we go. It's like an old oil rig.
I have made a lot of mistakes. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours. Anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours. And now we're singing.
You're gonna go work in an offshore rig, Shelby?
Nah,
You get to ride a helicopter every like 2 weeks.
I just watched The Meg, which takes place on an offshore, like oil rig type place. So
Yeah.
I'm good.
Oh, okay. And then they all died?
Not all of them.
Oh, just most of them.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath
The suits to
What the? How long have you been in there, buddy? I think he's dead. That can go underwater? No way. Oh, wow. It's Jimmy Bob.
hoping to find somewhere we can calm. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black. 'Cause it's black, it's all black, black water. If I had some time, I'd be biting it well. But my house is on fire, there's no one left to tell. Just take what is given, the doors have been sealed. Just breathe in the poison and hope God is real. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you. 'Cause it's mad, yeah it's mad. Oh, the whole world's mad. 'Cause it's mad, it's all mad. It's mad out there. Whoa! 'Cause it's black, yeah it's black. Oh, the water's black. 'Cause it's black, it's all black. Black.
Oh. Good. Yeah. Whoa, did it change?
Cause it's black, yeah it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all black. Black water, oh black water. Cause it's black, yeah it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all black. Black water.
Mommy, that's Jesse's hand.
Yeah. Let's watch Armageddon tonight, Toby. Come on, let's watch Armageddon. Yes. Come on, it's Ben
I am a
Affleck.
legend.
Ben
I
Affleck,
don't care about Ben Affleck.
but he's a good actor.
I only watched the movies with Ben Affleck because Matt Damon was in it.
Well, there's the other guy whose name I can't think of right now.
Leo DiCaprio.
No, the older guy.
Got a crane operator.
Whoa, that goes up high.
Do people actually go all the way up to the top?
Probably some repairing stuff, yeah, but the drilling happens at
What's that orange thing? Is that like some little submarine?
Maybe it's a big floating thing. Mom, that guy is working on that. He's working on that.
Oh yeah, he is.
Mom, when me and Emily first walked in, we thought that was a real guy.
Yeah.
My pro gamer skills. I don't know how I'm gonna play Fortnite with this as a mouse though.
Can I see that's
360 no scope. Right, you remain silent. Where's my back? Oh, you my backup? Here, go to my backup. You're just gonna keep doing the siren. Okay, well, we're taking this guy to jail. Stand up, sir. You're in jail. Don't move. Oh, dang it.
Don't jump in.
Do we go in the elevator to go all the way down?
We probably need to take the stairs because we haven't moved in 2 weeks. We've just been in our bus.
No, the elevator's right there.
Cause it's black, yeah it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all black. Black water, oh black water. Cause it's black, yeah it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all
Technically, we don't love our border.
would sail out. Take every brother and sister of
Oh, Bethany's stuck.
roll in sunshine and sleep when it's dark. Hope hoping to find somewhere we can calm. But it's black, yeah, it's black.
Say thank you to your sister. Alright. Stairs, stairs, stairs. We did the elevator already. No, we gotta take the stairs.
If I had some time, I'd be biting it well. But my house is on fire, there's no one left to tell. Just take what is given, the doors have been sealed. Just breathe in the poison and hope God is real. I'll pick you violet flowers if I get there faster than you.
Oh, we got coats!
We got our coats. These arrived at the office just before we left. We got half of them. We're still waiting for one more package.
There's our yacht, guys.
We don't own a yacht. He's just lying.
I'm in trouble with the mom.
I got it.
Cause it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black. Cause it's black, it's all black, black water.
Alright, well, Michael took all the kids out to the playground for a couple hours. It's kind of misty today, but it's pretty warm and it's not actually raining. So the playground will probably be wet, but at least they're getting out. They really need some more out of the bus time because it's been kind of a rough 2 weeks. They're gone, so I am getting stuff done. I got the kitchen cleaned up. Don't look in that corner. I just got some Ticino brewing for myself. And I am going to make some gluten-free bread for the kids because gluten-free bread from the store is expensive and subpar. So I can't make it every week, especially not in the bus. There's just not enough space, even just to store gluten-free flour for enough kids. Enough gluten-free flour for that many kids to keep them fed on bread. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I don't have space. So I am gonna work on that today, make them some bread so that they have some for the next couple days, and see what else I can get done while they're gone. All right, while I've been recording, facing this direction, all the family, they snuck in behind the camera and set up Catan, and they're gonna play a game.